Okay, so today we're gonna look at a broken motor shaft on this Lizard95. The only way to fix this is to buy a new motor. And as you see here, the pin is broken right off. Here is the footage from the actual crash. And it's easy to see, this motor will never spin again. So here is the packaging for the new motor. It's the same 6000 kV 1104 motors as is the default on the Lizard95. They are pretty notchy and the magnets are pretty strong. And in the package there are some motor screws to attach the motors to the frame. Okay, let's start detaching the broken motor first. Now the motor is loose. You just need to disassemble this antenna. Now the motor is just hanging on the ESC, ready for desoldering. You just need some tin on the tip to make contact and put the soldering iron on top of the pads. These pads are very small, so you don't need to spend so much time on each pad. Now the motor is completely removed. Now it's time for a new one. First thing we're gonna do is to fresh up the tin on this ESC pads. It's always best to work with fresh tin. I also like to refresh the tin on this motor wires. Now we can solder the motor wires onto the ESCs. I'm giving them a pull to make sure the solder joint is okay. Now we can place the motor to its position and screw in the screws to the motor. We are done with the mounting of the motor. Now we're just gonna install this propeller. And it spins great! Yay! Now our repair is complete. I also attached this antenna again. The only thing left is to test if the repair was successful. As we see here, the replacement of the motor was very successful. The quadcopter flies very great.